Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard, author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. His work can be found at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Focusing on the outcome. Ponder a subject long enough, and you'll create its very existence. For whatever you give perpetual great emotion, the manifestation begins. You can stop anything from occurring if you simply change your focus and release pessimism, fears, and dread. When you focus on a brighter outcome with perpetual faith and joy, the manifestation begins. Focus on it long enough, and you'll create the very essence of your intention and desire. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I believe this. I believe when you bring your vibrations down, you calm yourself through meditation and focus on things and concentrate on things that you really want. But I think it's things that you want from the bottom of your heart, what your soul is craving. Whatever you truly love, I believe if you focus on that enough, imagine it enough, and follow the doors that are open for you, it will come to be. I believe that with my heart and soul. Whatever you truly, truly want, just keep on that path. Keep imagining it already there. Have the joy of it already being done. I believe that's the key to getting things that you truly, truly want, and that when you really love something and you manifest, you can't just manifest once, I believe. Maybe you can. I believe you have to just keep being persistent, and it will come to be. You must follow the doors that open. Follow love, and you'll always be happy. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.